crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing an oldie but goodie card kit from Lizi. I have the So Lucky card kit, so I'm going to show you everything that comes in this kit. Now I do have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box, so if you're interested in purchasing this kit, I'll have the link down there for you all ready to go. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing. There is so much that comes in this kit, and it is perfect for all of your St. Patrick's Day card needs. I love everything in this kit. Let's take a look at the stamp set first. So we've got the feet down below holding a coffee mug, and you've got the coffee cup. And then it says, so lucky. And then it says, sometimes I wonder how we got. And you could say, so lucky. Our lives crossed paths. That good coffee and you exist. To call you friend. So very grateful to know you. I'm and we're. And then you get the dies. And then these are some really cute shamrocks. And these are little chipboard embellishments. So you can paint these up or ink them up, whatever you'd like. Then we've got some epoxy dots. They are the enamel 3D glitter dots. We have some ribbon, and there's 5 colors of ribbon in this pack. We do get a roll of washi tape. Let me open this up so you can take a look at it. So this coordinates with the entire kit. So you can see here, it's got the green and the gold colors. Very, very pretty. Next, we have a sequin mix. So you can see here, really pretty. You could make some shaker cards with this. And then these are the peel-offs. So you receive these copper mirror with gold finish peel-offs. So these are the peel-offs here. You can see very, very pretty and so shiny and shimmery. Okay. Next, we have some ephemera. So I'll save that. I'll set that to the side to look at that in a moment. We do receive some cardstock. So this is white and it is alcohol marker friendly. We've got a piece of blue. We've got a piece of green. There's an orange and a black. And then let's take a look at the paper. So there's 22 single-sided 6x6 papers. And I love all the colors in here. You can see here there's some florals. Aren't these cute? The little bows. And then, oh, this is adorable with coffee mugs and little Converse sneakers. There's a little martini glass. We've got some shamrocks and plaid. There's some more plaids. Some shamrocks here with a design. Oh, I love this one with the shamrocks and the gold in the background. Here's another one. This is really, really cute. Then we've got a plaid, another plaid here. Then there's some stripes. And then we've got a gold and orange plaid. Look at this one. It's got like gold splatters on it. And then these papers are really unique. They look like gold or they look like glitter paper, but they're not glitter paper. They're just like patterned glitter paper. Really, really cute. So that's a look at all the papers. Now let's take a look at the ephemera. I love the Love from Lizi card kits because you get so much ephemera in here. So let me empty this out. You can see here there's a shamrock that fell out. See if I can flip this one over. So we've got some wreaths, and I didn't punch out the center, but you could punch those out. Then look at this, these cute little friends, and they're holding their hands up in a heart. We've got a coffee mug. Then we've got some shamrocks, lots of shamrocks and florals. There's lots of these friends with the different hair colors holding their hands up. I just think those are adorable. Some more shamrocks here. There's a coffee mug with a shamrock. These are cute, just like a little hand. And with the green fingernails. There's some more girls. Now those are brunettes. And we've got a stack of books. There's the cute little sneakers. And then there's a coffee mug. And then here's like kind of like exactly to the stamp set. Those are cute. And then some florals. Oh, here's some cute little bows. There's another hand. Some florals. Let me flip through all of these here. Lots and lots of ephemera. There's another coffee mug. some more bows. So you can see here you have lots of different pieces. Oh, and there's a little green martini glass. So that is a look at everything that comes in this card kit. Now, I want to show you how I store all of my card kits. And so let me move these all together here. So for my 6x6 pattern papers, I do purchase these envelopes here, and I will leave them linked down below. Now, I don't have an affiliate link to how I store my products for that envelope. Now, this one I do. This one is from Amazon, and I just think that these storage folders are perfect for your card kits because they expand. So they're great for holding not only card stock, but card kits, but all of this will fit inside of my envelope here. And then I do like to take my stamp and my stamp set out of the packaging. So I've kind of sped this up here for you, but I put my dies on a magnet, and then I will put the magnet and the stamp all in the same storage envelope. So I'll leave all of this linked down below, as well as a link to the So Lucky card kit. Like I said, this is not a new card kit. It's a blast from the past, but there's several still available on the website, and I thought you might enjoy. And I will be creating several videos using this kit, so tune back to my channel for some more videos giving you some inspiration. So that is a look at everything today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and come back. I will have links down to my Facebook and my Instagram, and I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!